Ever heard your stomach growl when you're not even hungry? It's louder than you think. It's called borborygmi, and it happens even when your stomach is completely empty. Here's why it won't shut up. Your digestive system never stops moving. Muscles squeeze in waves called peristalsis, pushing food and gas through your gut. When your stomach is empty, those contractions squeeze air and leftover fluid instead. That rumble is basically an echo in a hollow tube. Your brain triggers this cleaning cycle every 2 hours to sweep out bacteria and debris. A full stomach muffles the sound. An empty one amplifies it like a drum. Follow for more about your body's weird sounds.